So this week I've been looking at this question box that they want in. So basically I'll come up with a question and you can select 3 answers and it will give you feedback based on which answer you chose. And then it just lets you continue with the game. So I've added this in by creating a JSON as the client is going to provide me with the information. I just need to say this is what you need to provide me with. They already know they need questions with 3 answers each. I'm going to see if they will also provide me with a correct and incorrect text because we did talk about that when we met. So I basically created a JSON reader that reads in a streaming asset and we'll just pull all that information in and set it and then check the answer. And that's pretty much all I've done this week.